Dear students of UP Board Class 10th English Reader, today our topic is a letter to God that is written by G.L. Fuentes. In this English medium lecture 3, we will come to know the rest of the story. In last lecture, you came to know that there was a heavy rain with winds, and there was a heavy rainfall with the hailstones. In this way, the crop of Lanchu was destroyed. Now let's see what was the activity of Lanchu there. In this lecture, you see I have mentioned the number of this lecture 3, and the title of this part is Activity of Lanchu. You know, when Lanchu was sad, he could not sleep the whole night in the last part of this chapter, in the previous part of this chapter. Now come to see what was the conversation and what was the activity of Lanchu. Don't be so upset, even though this seems like a total loss. The wife of Lanchu said to Lanchu, don't be so upset. Means she tried to console Lanchu, saying that he should not be so upset. Though means, however, this seems like a total loss. It seems that everything is destroyed, and she tried to console Lanchu, saying that, remember, no one dies of hunger. Means hunger never kills anybody. That's what they say, no one dies of hunger. It was the response of Lanchu that yes, I came to know, everybody says no one dies of hunger. All through the night, Lanchu thought only of this one hope. It means Lanchu could not sleep and kept on thinking about the hope that was help. This is a wrong spelling. It is HELP, help of God. It means he was expecting only one thing, that was the help from God, whose eyes as he had been instructed. As you can see, this line is very important. It is asked in the question. What is said about God? It is said about God that God is omnipresent, God is omniscient, he knows everything, he lives everywhere. Even he means God is able to see hidden everything, even what is deep in one's conscience. Once means anybody's conscience, means soul. If something is hidden in the mind and soul of a person, God can see it. So what does it mean here? Here it means that God can see the problems of Lanchu. Even there was no need to Lanchu to say anything. Lanchu was an ox of a man. This is the quality of Lanchu. It will be used in your character to Lanchu. Lanchu was an ox of a man means Lanchu was working in fields like an ox. He was like an animal. He worked night and day in the fields. But still he knew how to write. But there was a little difference between animals and Lanchu, that Lanchu knows how to read and write. The following Sunday, means the coming Sunday at daybreak in the morning, he began to write a letter. Means he started writing a letter which he himself would carry to the town and place in the mail, with the hope that next morning he will go to the town and post it. It was nothing less than a letter to God. It means it was at least a letter to God written by Lanchu. It was not less than that. In the letter it was written, God, he wrote, if you don't help me. He addressed God and put a condition. If he doesn't help Lanchu, my family, means the family of Lanchu, and I, means Lanchu, will go hungry this year. Means he wrote to God that if God doesn't help Lanchu and his family, they will die and they will suffer hunger. They will suffer hunger. I need 100 pesos in order to sow my fields again. Lanchu put one more condition and requirement in the letter to God, that he needed 100 pesos. Means pesos is the currency. He needed 100 pesos from God, so that to sow his field again. So means so that he means put seeds in the field again, and to live until the crop comes. and he would be able to wait for the next crop. Because the hailstorm, what did hailstorm do? Hailstorm destroyed his entire crop. And this story, Lancho wrote all that. He wrote to God on envelope. It means in place of address, he wrote to God only, put the letter inside, and kept the letter inside the envelope. Still troubled, Lancho was very disturbed by this time. Went to the town. He very anxiously went to the town where the post office was situated, and at the post office he placed a stamp on the letter. Means you have seen stamps that are like pictures, which are fixed on the envelope, and then this envelope is posted on the letter and dropped it into the mailbox, and then after it Lancho put this letter into the mailbox. Students, in this next lecture you will come to know what happened to this letter and what was the result of this letter. Thanks.